Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't guessed it already, I'm on vacation. How do you know that? Probably because oceans don't grow in Kansas. Neither do palm trees. But yeah, no, we're down in the Dominican Republic right now. Me and my wife and my mom and dad decided to take a little trip, you know, just get a little bit of family time. So this is where we ended up. We're gonna do some really cool things. I think we're gonna see some monkeys, and I don't know for sure. Hopefully none of them come at me like Spider Monkey. But no, we're. Good morning, everyone. Me and Sydney are currently on our way to do the Scooby-Doo. There's the mystery machine over there, that van over there. We'll be taking that. I think we're gonna hop on a boat. We're gonna ride on a glass bottom boat so we can see what's, you know, on the ocean floor. Then we're gonna do some snorkeling maybe, and then we're gonna hop on these things called Scooby-Doos. They're like little mopeds underwater on the seafloor. You kind of ride them around, and they have a glass dome that goes over your head. So we're pretty excited about that. We'll see how it goes, but currently we're on what, day number 4?
Yeah.
We've had some good eats. We've had some good fun. A little too much sun. Both of us are a little fried, but
Quite a bit fried.
Quite a bit fried. Yeah, but I think we'll live. So. Oh, we are currently in the bottom of it. We're in a glass bottom boat looking down at the ocean floor.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
I look like a weirdo. All right, let's do it. Got him!
Yeah, boy! This is pretty nice, guys. There's some nice, pretty big waves coming. They're not giant by any means. There was some bigger ones the other day, but we've been kind of body surfing them back in, so I'm gonna show you some live action footage of us doing some body surfing. Let's see how it works. Hopefully I don't lose the camera. Surf, you wanna body surf? Do one for the crew, the wrecking crew.
Do it for the vine.
Yo, do it for the vine. Check out this sweet she sells by the seashore.
Pretty.
I just don't know. Yeah, it is. You like that?
Yeah. How did you see that?
You gonna body surf?
Yeah.
Without the mask?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want me to hold on to that shell while you do that?
You got all that?
Yeah, I got it.
I didn't see any fish. Oh shit.
See you coming. Run with it, run with it. Oh, crushed. She got hammered. All right, let's see if we can get a better view at the lizard friend here. Hello, Mr. Lizard. How are you? How are you? Very cool, guys. He didn't even move. He's just kind of hanging out. Pretty sweet view of the room we got here. Oh yeah. That was the view from the little breakfast table. I'm with the family right now, and we're in this little dining hall. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty big, actually. There's a bunch of it. Oh yeah, wave. Say hi, honey. Got all kinds of good food. Fried cheese, fried everything.
Real vegetables.
Yeah, fried cheese. His colon's gonna be fried too. So, but we're getting ready to go to Monkey Land. Yeah, boy. We are currently on the way to a Monkey Land. See the mountain in the distance over there, but apparently it's like 760 kilometers tall, and it's a fairly good sized mountain. The monkeys live at the base of the mountain, so we're gonna go see those flamingos.
Oh, they put a cop in the road. The cop is guarding the flamingos.
Yo, check this out. We got some coconut trees, little coconut palms, and then wow, we just got this huge valley. This is where they're zip lining at, I believe, today. Oh, that's so sweet. All right, guys, we're about to try the milk of the cocoa. It's a cocoa plant.
Yummy.
Sort of looks like it's all
Very
slimy, but
Yummy.
they say don't chew on it, suck on it. It's actually really good. Really good. It doesn't taste so much like chocolate. It tastes like a fruit, almost like a mango. Really good.
Grow something.
That is what the center of it looks like if you bite it.
It doesn't taste
We were told not to bite it, but
I bit it in.
this idiot bit it. What did it taste like?
Caca.
Caca? Caca poo poo? Cocoa, cinnamon, and brown sugar.
Here we go. She's filming.
This is the
She was.
this is the cinnamon challenge. Go for it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's really good.
Is it? My turn. Oh wow. Wow. That is delicious.
Is it different?
It's delicious. Onward to Le Monkey Land.
Yeah, monkey.
Yeah, Monkey Land. Yeah, Monkey Land. Don't get me on camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all up jumping around. I see them up in the trees, bouncing around up there. Look at this little guy. Hello, monkey friend. He's a cool looking little guy. Look, oh look, honey, look. Oh, little dudes. Oh, they are having sex on your head right now. Hello, little monkey friend.
Is it in your pocket? You got something good in
I
there.
have nothing good in it. Hello, buddy.
Zachary, he's trying to get in that pocket.
One's peeing on somebody.
Whoa.
They're dancing on my head right now, guys.
He's eating a mango.
Okay, guys. Now
Oh, he said, get away. This is my food.
I want a picture with our monkey.
Apples.
Oh, he didn't like that. He
He
scooped
said,
it out.
get rid of that crap.
there's a teenager, 1 year old.
1 year. Little baby guy. He said, I don't like that.
Dad?
Dad, look.
They're bouncing everywhere.
They actually scooped out like what they didn't want. Look, and they threw it down.
Yeah, they throw the stuff they don't like down. They know what's good. They like the cantaloupe, the mango.
The cantaloupe.
Carrots are a last resort, just like me.
They love the cantaloupe and they like
Man, these little guys. Oh, hey, buddy.
Jack.
Huh? I didn't do it.
Now let's take a walk. Please bring the ball
Is that good, monkey? You look like Sydney when she eats a little banana.
and pick the fruit from the ground,
That's good. Yum.
Look,
please. Pick
Papa
the fruit from
Monkey.
the ground.
Papa Monkey.
Yum, yum, yum. Hello, buddy.
Pooped on him.
They made a poo-poo?
Pick the fruit from the ground and watch the steps before you walk, please.
Pick it up. Hey, little buddy.
Hi,
Look what I got. I got good
It's our
stuff.
baby monkey.
I got good stuff.
Oh, they like
the-
they like the sunflower seeds,
Yes,
huh?
favorite one is banana.
Special. You like banana?
They heard the seeds
Here
come.
they
Oh,
come,
look,
yeah.
they're flocking towards
They
us.
want it.
Oh, hey, dude.
Behind you,
Hello.
Look how cute that one is. That one's so cute.
You like it?
Hello, little
That one's
dudes.
my favorite right there.
Yeah, you can.
You know how they come over and eat now? If you go over there, you don't.
You know, you can put your camera around.
Here, Tracy. Look.
I'm trying. I only got like it's hard for
They
me
dig
to get.
through. That's what's so funny is they like pick and choose.
Oh. Well, guys, I just got back from Monkey Land. It was a blast. It was probably one of the best little adventures I've been on yet. Those things were so stinking cute. Had a lot of fun with my wife and the family. Sad day. Today's the last full day here at the resort. We check out tomorrow at noon, and then we head back to the States. So, yeah, woo, heading home. But it's bittersweet. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you for the next adventure.